Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started.
Imagine hitting print on your computer, but instead of a paper essay coming out, you get a real, solid object. Old ways were subtractive, cutting away the waste. 3D printing is additive, building only what you need. It starts with a digital blueprint made in CAD, computer-aided design. You have to design the object in 3D first. But the printer can't read 3D shapes. A program called a slicer cuts the model into thousands of thin horizontal layers. The slicer turns layers into G-code. It uses X, Y, Z coordinates, telling the printer exactly where to move. The ink is actually plastic wire called filament. It's a thermoplastic. Melts when hot, solid when cool. Filament enters the hot end. The nozzle hits 200 degrees Celsius, melting plastic into liquid goo. The nozzle draws the first layer on the build plate. This layer is critical. It needs perfect adhesion so the object doesn't slide around. One layer done, the plate drops a tiny step, the Z-axis. It draws the next layer right on top. Because the new plastic is hot, it melts slightly into the cold layer below it. They fuse together to become one solid object. We don't print solid blocks. We use Infill, a honeycomb inside. It's super strong, but lightweight. You can't print on thin air. If a part hangs out, we build supports, temporary scaffolding to hold it up. Not all use wire. SLA printers zap liquid resin with a laser. The light cures it solid, instantly. We can even print metal. Sintering machines use lasers to melt metal powder into rocket engines or medical implants. The future is bioprinting. Scientists are experimenting with printing living cells, making skin, or even new organs. The best part? Rapid prototyping. If your invention doesn't fit, you just change the file and print a new one in hours. 3D printing turns digital dreams into physical reality. If you can imagine it, you can hold it in your hand.
If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.